Hello and welcome back. This is Steve Bucks Coins. I have for you today a set of 12 coins from the year 2000 at a Canadian 25 cents. This was part of a 2-year series, 1999, which was celebrating the past of Canada, and 2000 looking to the future of Canada. They were issued on a monthly basis, January through to December, and that's the way I'm going to show them to you. So January 2000, I will show you the obverse once only, as it's the same all the way through. Whoops, get back a bit. Oh, excuse me. It is the Queen Elizabeth II's portrait. This is from the year 2000, so this set of coin is 22 years old. The first one of the 12, let me get that the right way up, is Pride. This is issued in January 2000. You've got Canada underneath the bottom of the coin. You have the description across the top, and the picture is a celebration. So that's Pride, and that's the first coin of the year 2000, and it was issued in the January of 2000. Let's get it the right way up. This is February's coin, and February's coin is Ingenuity. The coin has three crescent shapes, and it's got depicting various things that's happening around Canada, including buildings, the landscape. I'm not sure what the top one is. Perhaps someone could tell me in the notes, in the comments box. So that's Ingenuity. March's coin, that's the way up. March's coin is Achievement. And that seems to have some Inuit design across the bottom here. I'm not sure what this top part is. I couldn't find up any write-ups about the description of the coins at the time that I was doing the research. So that is Achievement, and was issued in March. In April, was this one, and this is Health. The next one is National Legacy, and this is Maize, and this shows the great outdoors in Canada. You have the trees, some rain or snow types, and the landscape itself at the bottom. So that's National Legacy. It was issued in May 2000. The next coin is the halfway mark of the year, and there's the June coin. This shows a maple leaf, or a an up-to-date design of the maple leaf, and this is Harmony. So June's corn was Harmony. Nice coin. The 7th coin and the July coin is Celebration. And this shows some fireworks going off above a cityscape. July's coin is this is August's coin, a little bit of mistake there, and this is a coin that represents the family. I suppose it's just full circle of life or circle of the family. That was also my birth month, August. This coin is the 9th coin in the series and was issued in September, and it represents wisdom. And basically it's an older person passing on the wisdom to the younger person. The 10th coin in the series that represents October is creativity. The 11th coin in this series for November is freedom. The last coin in this series from Canada from the year 2000 is community. It looks as if it's a map, a globe with people's all flags around it. Now these 12 coins are representing the ongoing ideals of Canada. So you've got pride, ingenuity, achievement, health, national legacy, harmony, celebration, family, wisdom, creativity, freedom and community. They're all sorts of well-known goals of Canada, supposedly, and it is what they are looking from the year 2000 to take forward. A lot of very idealised dreams, I suppose, and you can only wish them luck. I am going to try and get hold of the past of Canada, which was the 1999 series, so I can release it a little bit later on, and you can see the difference in the coins. I've enjoyed this set, I hope you have. If you have, please give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't already subscribed, please think about doing so. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins, I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. Lastly, I do 4 videos a week, so I hope I can find something that you'll enjoy watching. or should I say a minimum of 4 videos a week. In the meantime, until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too long in the distant future, from me, thank you for watching and bye bye. Ta-da!